Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to delete Gmail account password from iPhone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily delete Gmail account password from iPhone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your settings over here. Now once you open your settings, all you want to do is to scroll to where you can see password. Click on password and you can see, just enter your iPhone passcode over here or your Face ID. Now once you are done with that, scroll to where you can see your Gmail account and you can see delete password. So with this you can delete your password, but this is a way to this is where you can see your password when you forget. But if you think you still remember it in your head, you can just go ahead and then delete. But if you think for security reasons you want to take it away, then you can go ahead and then also delete the password. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new